Today we're in Nashville, Tennessee. We have one day in Nashville, Tennessee, so we came to Centennial Park to walk around and see the Nashville Parthenon. See those turtles over there? There's 3 of them. Oh, 4 of them.
I got it, 2 rocks.
Got 2 rocks.
Oh, look at that. Hey, Daddy, come on.
It's a Sunday, so on Sundays we typically like to do more chill things. Otherwise, we might have liked to see some of the cool music museums, but just because of the nature of when we are here, we're going to check out some of the lovely parks and architecture.
I will pick it up and name it something.
Why do you want a turtle so badly?
I think it's cool.
Yeah. You want a pet turtle?
Yeah. Like right now. I want a pet turtle no matter what. If I see a turtle, I will put a rocks down and run over to it and pick it up. And then I will keep it for the whole walk.
Wow.
And then when Grammy and Blake come, I will show them it.
Well, I don't think we can keep the turtle
Why?
because we have nowhere to put it. It would just die. We don't want that.
Why? How would it die?
We're excited to see what Nashville has to offer.
Word.
Do you buy an animal or just find an animal? Cow, pig, sheep, and bird, and fish, and a rabbit.
That is a lot. What?
I want to go back to the farming pig.
Like my mom was saying that.
Wait, now I remember.
What?
Are you going to have 11 pets?
No.
Why?
Because. Grayson, what you doing, dude?
My
You could put both
a little nervous about climbing.
Yeah.
right coming up that wall. Mama, I already know.
They are, because it's about women's rights. Yeah. You like that one?
What?
You look at me and say cheese?
Cheese.
Evelyn.
Smile, Evelyn. Evelyn, hey you. You gonna smile or no? Okay, here you go. Okie doke. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Grayson with his swords, attacking trees along the way. We just went to Centennial Park. We could have gone inside of the Parthenon, but we chose not to. It looked like there was a giant statue of Athena. While she is one of the coolest Greek gods or goddesses, she is also not located in Greece, so we didn't want to pay a bunch of money to go see the statue. I don't know. We're just cheapskates, I guess. But we did get a nice little walk around the pond. We saw some turtles and ducks. Hey, sweetie. Look at your cute little face. Evelyn, what you doing?
Fishing a sea.
Don't eat that. You okay, dude? And we tried to get our family picture multiple times, and I think we finally got a successful one, so Daddy was patient with me throughout all of it.
Mama,
Yes?
could you teach me how to fly?
Well, I would love to teach you how to fly, except that I don't know how to fly myself. So it might be kind of hard for me to teach you. Don't do that.
How are they not scared?
Evelyn, don't throw sticks at the pigeons.
I'm not scared.
We couldn't leave Nashville without at least checking out downtown Nashville. It blends right into the sky. Wow, that is a lot of aluminum foil. Ooh, look at those buildings, guys. And I'm so glad we did, because downtown Nashville is crazy.